just wanted to share something that I've found. I don't know if anyone else has found it, but it's very useful. So you're going from one shot to another shot, your batteries are running out, so you're going to need to get your drone charged up. Simply, you've got your connector here to connect your phone. I've got the USB-C, so you've got your USB-C to USB-C. Stick your controller on. We all know that the controller's got an awful lot of battery inside it. Right, so your battery's running out. You don't know what to do. You've got your power banks, you can plug a power bank in. Grab your USB-C. Plug your USB-C straight into the bottom. And there we go. That's charging. And that will charge. If you like this little tip, don't forget to subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos coming in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.